Welcome guys, this is your guide to website. That was my quick intro. So yeah, download WordPress. Well, it's really easy to download WordPress. First of all, you just type in wordpress.org, and this is where you come out. And yeah guys, WordPress is used by 30% of all websites worldwide, I think. So it's really powerful. It's really good. You can scroll their website and just see some templates here. If you want to see more templates and download them, just watch my other video about how to download templates. But to start off, yeah, you can scroll the website and just check what it does. It's really good with SEO. It has good security. It's a CMS system, so it means that you don't have to be a developer if you want to use WordPress. Um, you can just download WordPress and you can set up a website in like one day. So it's really good for starting entrepreneurs. If you want to start a website with not much money, yeah, WordPress is the right thing for you. If you're a developer, you can make money with WordPress and you can create really cool websites with it. So how to get it? Just go to the website .wordpress.org and just click here on this blue button, get WordPress, and just click on download WordPress. And it's gonna download the latest version for you, which is really great. Yeah, you can read this, but it's not necessary. I'm just gonna open the file, and here is the WordPress zip. So just double click it, and yeah, guys, this is your WordPress file, and you just insert this whole code. So actually, this WordPress file in your hosting or in your MEMP file. If you want to know how to install WordPress locally with MEMP, I also have another tutorial on that. But yeah, guys, that's actually how to download a WordPress file. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. See you next time.